So recently we introduced our truck applications for the rear and liked everything that we did with those so well that we decided it was time to redo all of our car applications as well. So what we've done is we've started with a clean sheet of paper and we've come up with what I have in front of us today. So this is actually a GM 10 bolt, 12 bolt application in front of me. We have that for with and without C-clips, and then we also have your other common GM applications, you know, the Tri-5, the Impalas, and actually a new Corvette kit as well. In addition, you got your Ford standard stuff there, your small bearing, large bearing, and your Torino new style, and then also a Mopar Dana 60, and then the 8 3/4. So what we've got here is 11-inch rotors, all new, completely clean sheet of paper design, using a modern cradle mount caliper that's got a park brake built into it. Very simple, very easy to adjust. Basically one movement of the piston and it's adjusted. To attach it to the rear end, everything, we've got a billet aluminum base bracket here, a steel intermediate bracket. Those two will go together to hold the cradle. All of the components are included within the kit as far as your hardware, brake hoses, pad abutment clips, everything basically that you will need to do the installation. You also have the option within these kits of doing a performance option, as we call it. That's going to come with slot and drilled rotors with a zinc wash finish. You also get the Hawk HPS performance pads along with the braided stainless steel hoses. Everything together here makes up for a really nice kit, one that we're very proud of. You should find this to install super easy, basic weekend kind of project. But if you've got any questions, of course, check our website, mpbrakes.com, or give one of our sales guys a call. They'll certainly walk you through any questions that you might have and get you fixed up and get one of these kits coming your way. For more information on this product or any other product, check us out online at mpbrakes.com, or you can give one of our sales representatives a call.